Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to draw an enlargement, meaning the question will become the image we are going to draw will be bigger by a scale factor of 2, meaning all the length will be increased by 2. Mr. Tan usually like to start with the easiest length, so in this case, this. So there are 2 squares here, meaning that my new one will become, I'm going to draw somewhere here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because scale factor is 2 times. Then I'm going to look at this. Next, I'm going to draw this. This is a diagonal between 2 squares. Okay, so 1 diagonal will become 2 diagonal, yeah? So this is 1 diagonal, and I'm going to draw 2 diagonal. Let me just adjust my ruler. Okay, 1 diagonal between 2 square, 2 diagonal between 2 square, and stop there. Okay, next, this is 1, 2, but the diagonal for this, please take note, it is across 1 square. So notice when Mr. Tan draw it, Mr. Tan will be very carefully make sure that we are drawing the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 diagonal, and the diagonal is between 1 square. Okay, next, this one is 1, and therefore 1 times 2 is, yes, 2. And the last part is simply just, I don't even need to measure already, because if I'm doing everything right, this will also tally. And indeed it is. Notice that this is 1 diagonal that cut across 3 square. So I will have 1, 2. 2 diagonal that cut across 3 square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.